Selling online courses made simple. If you want to make at least 5 figures per month selling online courses, no matter what niche, even if you're a beginner and even if you've tried selling online courses before and you haven't made a bunch of money with it, in this video I'm going to go over what you might not be doing, what you might be doing wrong, what you might not know or didn't know you were supposed to do, and I just stuttered there a little bit, so we're going to get right into it. What up guys, Ben over here back with another video. So let's start some proof so we know this isn't all bullshit here, okay? Ultimate test is obviously when can you pay for advertising and actually make a profit? Well, here's an example. So November 1st to December 17th, 2019, $3,000 ad spend, initially a $20,000 return. Obviously that's pretty dang good, didn't stop there, okay? If you look at the merchant account here, you can see my name, you can see the name of the company, it's obviously not Photoshop, this is verified. November 1st to December 17th, 2019, $114,000 in income off that ad spend. What I teach works. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the process that I'm using, and I'm going to give you some additional training that you can get access to for free so you can start learning how to do this for yourself. Now, let's break the ice here. If you do not want to commit time to putting together a good online course that people can actually learn from, don't do this. If you want to get rich quick thing, don't do this. And as a matter of fact, unsubscribe from my channel and never watch any of my videos again. If you are willing to commit time, if you're willing to create good training, and if you're willing to learn, this video is for you. And if you're brand new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell so you stay updated on all of the content that I drop. Daily, sometimes multiple times per day, oftentimes multiple per day videos. I'm here to teach you how to hit that 8-figure level. I think 7 figures is mediocrity. I think 6 figures is below average, and I don't want you to live average lifestyles. I want you to be able to do the things in life that you want. That's what this channel is about, growing you as an entrepreneur, as a brand, as a business owner, and learning all those skills, so subscribe. Now, there's 4 sort of elements to this, and then there's some additional steps involved here. First thing is you got to put together a course. Ben, what should I put together a course on? Start with what you know, okay? And don't worry about how much you know, all right? Just worry about putting it together, okay? What is an A to Z thing you could put together of whatever you know? Maybe you know how to make pens. Well, shit, that could be a course. How to make pens, pretty cool. Pens are used on a daily basis. People use pens. Pens will be around for a long time, okay? Making cool pens. Put together a course on how to make pens, okay? Maybe you know a little bit about e-commerce. Maybe you know a little bit about affiliate marketing. Maybe you are a realtor and you know a little bit about the educated way to buy a house. Maybe you're a car salesman. Maybe you can educate people on buying cars, because nobody's doing that. There's so much opportunity to sell an online course and make money doing it. So you put together the course. That's step 1. Step 2 is you need to put it on what we call a high converting funnel. That's what this acronym stands for, and you can write this down. A high converting funnel, okay? A sales funnel is not a website. A sales funnel is where you have a specific offer. So what this usually looks like is there's a landing page, okay? This landing page says how to make money online, $10,000 per month in the next 30 to 60 days, even if you're brand new. And they have a little name field, a little email. People go, yeah, that kind of sounds good. And then there's a sales page. Sales page. This is where the offer is presented, talks about what it is, why they need it, how they can get it. It's got some buy buttons, maybe there's a little video, maybe there's a sales copy, maybe there's some testimonials. And then they go to what is an order page, okay? Order page. This is where they're putting in their billing information, all that different stuff. And then they click purchase, and then it goes to a thank you, or what we call a confirmation page. And then they end up ultimately in the product, claiming the product or the service, whatever it is. In this case, your course. That's what a sales funnel looks like. Now, there's many different types of sales funnels. So what is the right type of funnel for you? We're gonna be getting into that in a training I'm gonna be giving you guys in just a little bit here. So stick around, do not go anywhere. Need a high converting funnel. Depending on the price point, depending on how it's presented, will depend or will decide what type of funnel you use, okay? The third thing is you do not need to get into spending money to promote your course until it's working on social platforms. So places like YouTube, places like Instagram, places like Facebook, where you're able to generate a little bit of traffic, get a little bit of engagement, see how the market anticipates things, how they respond, and then you were able to optimize from there until you can finally take it on the road and run ads to it. And that's the process that I use, and that's what I've done to be able to be really successful in this business. Now, you're probably sitting here going, okay, well, what price point do I sell it for? And do I have like a recurring product in there? Are there upsells, downsells? We're gonna get all into that in just a little bit here, but this is basically the 4 steps. Now let's talk a little bit about things that I wouldn't do, okay? I wouldn't go low ticket, okay? Low ticket means I would not sell any online course for less than $500. And you're thinking, Ben, oh my gosh, I couldn't even fathom selling a course for $500, let alone $50. Yes, you can. Hold on for a second. The only reason that you think that is because you do not see enough value in what you know, or you don't have the mindset yet that has developed where you know, hey, there's people out there that would pay $500. They're paying me a lot more than that, a lot more than that. I do $8,000, $20,000 deals, $30,000 deals all the time. And when I first got started, I couldn't fathom somebody spending $27 with me. I got started there. I had to come through this mindset shift to realize that the information I was providing was worth this. In reality, people are going to school $40,000 a year for 4 years. That's not so much to charge for something that gets through the bullshit to the real information that they can take a week to learn and actually go apply in life. Rather than paying $160,000 for a degree that lands them a $40,000 per year job and living below the poverty level, okay? You can charge $500. You should not charge less than $500 because when you do go to spend money on advertising and really scale your business, you're not gonna be able to profit enough off of just selling $500 course. You need to have a higher price to be able to make a profit margin, okay? So don't go low ticket, you wanna go high ticket. Now, if you're loving this video so far, please make sure, smash that like button. I want to support you. Please support me. I appreciate you smashing that like button. Now, next thing we need to talk about is what are the steps? What are the steps involved? Okay, how do I know what I'm teaching is right? How do I know which funnel works for me? How do I test on socials? And ads. Ben, ads scare me. Do I really need to do ads? Let me put your mind at ease with ads. Good ads always make money. And here's what I love about ads, okay? When you erase this part for a second, that is horrible, 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 okay? Here's the good thing about ads. It's around Valentine's Day, so let's do some red and some purple. When you put your course out here and you start spending money on ads, okay? So let's say you're selling your course for $1,000. Let's just say, for example, $1,000. This number's kind of irrelevant. It's gotta be above 500. Okay, you start spending money on ads. Here's what I love. Let's say this line symbolizes your ad spend, okay? Let's say that you spend $800 on ads and you're like, oh my gosh, like I'm not gonna get a sale, I haven't made any money yet. Here's the really cool thing. You spent $800 on ads, you get a $1,000 sale. You're really worried that, oh my gosh, like, am I gonna get the money before this? Here's the really cool thing about ads, is with Facebook, with YouTube, with most of these ads platforms, you can determine at what point you wanna get charged. So what I've learned to do is make sure that I have collected this and it's in, let's just say this is a bank, okay? It's in the bank before Facebook or YouTube even pull that number, okay? And you might be thinking, oh my gosh, Ben, like spend 800, make 1,000, that's not profitable. Here's the really cool thing. You've now earned this customer's respect. They're not a prospect anymore, they're a customer, okay? The ice is now broken. Upsell, upsell, upsell. And so on my training that I'm gonna be inviting you to, links in the description, I'm gonna teach you the process that I use to put all of this together. And then we're gonna talk about upsells. Upsells are where the money is made. So register for the training. Hey, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Make sure to register for this training. It's about 30 minutes. It's free. It's not gonna cost you anything but your time. I suggest show up with a pen, show up with a piece of paper, be ready to learn. This is extremely valuable information. If I were you in 2020 and I wanted to start selling online courses, this would be the training I would attend, and I would not have my eyes or sights focused on any other business model. I would not be getting into anything else. If you know something in any niche, in any field, you can put together an online course and you can learn how to take it on the road and make it profitable, okay? That's what I want to teach you on this training, so register for it and let me know in the comments, what do you believe you could start creating your first online course around? When you start selling online courses, what will your course be? Let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one of my comments. So make sure to let me know in the comments and make sure to click the link in the description and attend my presentation so you can start learning how to do all this.